He's a very chill guy. One thing more that I can take note is that he's a man of few words. You know, he can only say so little, but when he says something, it's very impactful. At 80, he's very admirable because you can see the energy that he's putting into his work, that he's putting to a lot of other priorities apart from his family, of course. He's full of ideas, hindi siya nauubusan. It's like meron siyang well of a lot of new things in his head. And, you know, it's very inspiring, I should say. Very inspiring to see also how he was able to raise the entire Yalong clan. Hi, Papi. Happy 80th birthday. I hope you were surprised. We thank you because you're such a blessing to the whole family. And I just wanted to say that we love you and keep on inspiring.
Papi is very generous, and I really feel his generosity and his presence, especially in our family gatherings. He's always present, and Papi is also very approachable. Palagi niya din ako kinakamusta. Papi has really light energy as well. So, yeah, very positive person. I remember during our Hong Kong trip around 2009, I remember I really wanted this Kuromi backpack in Toys R Us. And Papi got it for me, and it's the bag that I used for like 2 years in school. So it's really very sentimental and something na I wouldn't forget. It's really special to me. Happy birthday, Papi. I love you so much, and thank you for everything, for being present in the family, and for all of the sacrifices that you made. And we truly appreciate you, and we're all so grateful for you. Happy birthday, Papi.
He's a very famous movie director, my grandfather. I'm very proud of him. He is loving, calm, and just. He is also funny sometimes. He jokes around like he calls me Pandesal Boy, I remember. Sometimes I call my papi because I tell him what I want, and he plans to, give me it sometime in the future. And another reason why I call him too is because I just want to check up on him just to make sure if he's okay. Without him, I wouldn't have been here and he wouldn't see me. He is a very crucial part of me. If he wasn't here, I wouldn't be here. Happy birthday, Papi. Blessings and prayers from me that I hope you're gonna live a long life and a healthy life. God bless and have a happy birthday from your grandson, Brent Yalong. We love you.
He's my best friend slash advisor slash, of course, the best dad ever. Why am I saying he's my best friend? Because probably I'm so close to him and he knows that. Hindi pwedeng lalampas ng 1 week na hindi kami mag-uusap. Maski I hardly see him because on Sundays we have gatherings, no lunch. Sometimes I couldn't go. But every week he calls me. He asks about my son, about Jen and Jellypie, how are they doing? And then we talk about life. We talk about business. He gives me advices all the time, never-ending advices. That's why he's my good advisor. I look up to him. He's my father. He's visionary. He's a visionary guy. And actually, I've been following his footsteps since I was in grade school. Naalala ko to. I'll be doing mga home video films. Naalala ko that when I remember that we had this Betamax video recorder, he lent it to me. And then ginawa kong actors yung mga kapatid ko, my older brother Sunny, my older sisters, and my younger sister Bambi. And then at i-edit ko, naalala ko dati, using 2 Betamax players or VHS players that time. And then at the end of the day, pagdating niya sa gabi, bibigay ko sa kanya yung tape na yon that, Pop, this is what I directed for today. This is the new movie that I created for you. Maybe 10, 15 years ago. Siyempre, 20 years ago, I think, no? I was starting my own business. Siyempre, starting your own business, it's not that easy. But he was there. He really helped me. He was there. He guided me all throughout. He gave me advices, um, what to do in life, what to do in business, how to approach. Kasi I learned that from my dad. How to become a good salesman, how to become a good marketing guy. What else you can ask for, no? Wala na eh. I'm so proud to have him as a dad. Kaya that's why I always tell my son, I have a 9-year-old son and I have a daughter. I always tell my kids na always respect your parents, always love your parents. So I call, look how I respect my dad and my mom. I kept telling that. Sometimes I remember one time Brent was on the phone. So he was like, that was a year ago. And I asked Brent, who are you talking to? Oh, I'm talking to Papi. We're talking about his films. So imagine that my dad, he'll do that to his grandkids, call my son just to ask how is he, and they'll talk about nonsense, as long as he get to talk to my son. So that's how, sabi nga ng mami ko, gagawa ng time yan para sa amin. Which is, ginagawa rin niya yan para sa mga apo niya. Happy birthday, Pops. Surprise. Finally, na-surprise rin kita. And ang hirap talaga how to surprise you because Mommy told me, Papa mo very sharp yan. So, baka hindi mo ma-surprise yan. But, Pop, we did it. And happy 80th. I love you. We are so proud of you as a dad. You gave us everything. Enjoy this night. And I hope you are surprised. Hindi ka magalit sa amin ng mga taong na involved. But yun na nga, Pop, I love you so much. My siblings love you so much. Mommy loves you. I love you again. Happy birthday and enjoy the night.